teach you how to delete your WordPress website and start over with a completely fresh one. If you've been thinking about rebuilding your site from scratch or just want a clean slate to begin again, this step-by-step guide is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the Log In button. It's placed there so returning users can access their dashboard quickly. Click on it. On the login page, you'll notice an option that says Continue with Google. This is one of the easiest and most secure ways to sign in, especially if your Google account is already linked to your WordPress site. Click that option and you'll be asked to choose which Google account you want to use. Select the one connected to your site and you'll be logged in instantly. Now that you're inside your dashboard, it's time to move into your website settings. You can find this under your account menu, or if you've used a direct link before, you may be taken straight to the same settings page. The settings area is the powerhouse of your WordPress site. This is where you manage the core features, tools, and controls that shape how your site functions. Once you're inside, look for the section labeled Site Settings. This page gives you access to visibility controls, subscriptions, ownership settings, and various tools for managing your site more deeply. As you scroll through this page, you'll eventually reach the bottom where the more serious actions live, including options to reset your site or delete it entirely. Before you click anything, take a moment to be sure about your decision. Deleting a WordPress site is permanent. All your content, settings, media, and data will be removed and can't be restored later. But if you're certain and ready for a clean start, go ahead and proceed with deletion. Starting fresh can feel incredibly freeing. Whether you're changing your design, shifting your niche, or rethinking your content from the ground up, having a blank canvas opens the door to new ideas and new creativity. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to delete and reset your WordPress site, paving the way for a brand new beginning. Thanks for watching and happy creating.